Hi friends, this video we are going to look how we can use for COUNTIF formula, okay, in a multiple functions. That is what we are going to look over here, because normally COUNTIF we can use it for deriving the counting of respective word, right? If it is available for off, in a sense we can use the word, call it as like this example, equal to COUNTIF, and we have to select the range over here, okay, and comma, open quotes, and we will mention for off, right? Off, close quotes, enter. Okay, right now we are getting like this. Okay, suppose if you require for all the that is a different type of names or else and the figures, in a sense, how we can each and every time we will not write it like this, right? Because right now we have enter as off. Okay, suppose if it is required for 5 to 17, how many of them are available in the shift, in a sense, each and every time we will not write it over here. Okay, so we need a formula, which formula we have to use, and we can get the count of all those things. And over here you can look how many shift will be available. See here, it is available almost 95 shift. Okay, so over the 95 shift we cannot enter as a whole thing. That's the reason we are going to find it out, one formula. Once we are tracking it, automatically we can get it the figures. Okay, and over here it is available for 100 employee shift. Okay, in a different shift is available 100 employee as well as 95 shift will be there. Over here I have taken only for the 10 days roster. Okay, this is only for duty roster of 10 days for the 100 employees. Right now we are going to look what is the counting of each and every shift for a respective day. Okay, so how we can use the formula, that is what we are going to look over here. Okay, so right now I am erasing this one. Now you can use equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, you have to select the range from here to down. Okay, just you can press shift control as well as down arrow. Okay, and automatically it will select until the bottom. Okay, then you have to put it as comma. What we required, we need the count of off. Okay, so you can select off. You have to put dollar symbol over here for the special reference. Okay, and you have to close quotes, that is close the bracket. Now you can press enter. Now it is available for 40. Okay, as the same thing available until 10 days. Okay, each and every day we not required to do anything else. Okay, if you are mentioning for the special reference like this. Okay, if you are mentioning for the special reference for the dollar, in a sense it will consider only for the off for the all respective days. That is what we are going to look over here. Just you can, what you have to do, in a sense, just you can track it. Okay, so example, you can check it over here for L3 to L9. Okay, and we are mentioning for 105. 105 will be the fixed fixed term of respective reference. Okay, so we are locking the word, we are looking for the off. That's the reason we are using for the dollar symbol. Anonymously you can check it. Okay, over here it is available 49. Now you can check it how many off will be available for the date of 5. Okay, so right now we are checking manually the off, how many off. Just you can check it, the count, it is showing for 49. See here, it's showing. Okay, it's visible. No, it's a 49. 49 off will be there. So we are going to check our formula. It's showing 49. See here, 49 is available. So the formula which we have used will be the proper formula only. As the same way we have to track it at the down also. So what we have to do, just you can select this one and you can track it at the end. Okay, yeah, we have tracked, and something will be zero available. Zero, in a sense, what, respective duty timing not available for the respective day. Okay, an example, if you want to check it, in a sense, you can check it over here. It is available 7 to 14 will be 0, right? 7 to 14 you can check it over here. Any shift will be available. 7 to 14 not available. 7:32 like that only available. 7 to 14 not available. That's the reason it's showing for the 0. Okay, this is a way you can count whatever term is required for the multiple function is available in your duty roster, or else you are preparing for any other report, you need a count of respective term. In a sense, you can do it based on this formula. Okay, automatically if you are tracking, in a sense, automatically it will get. I think this video will be very helpful for everyone. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel, and this video will be very useful for you. You can give a thumbs up also. Suppose any of your friends is required such kind of videos, you can share to them. Okay, and for a new user, you can subscribe and watch. You will get for all kind of tricks related to Excel, as well as for crypto investment and online jobs, and different kind of things you will get in this video. It is only for the education purpose we are introduced this channel. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.